Ooh, can we squeeze? Can we squeeze? Can we squeeze in? Oh, squeezing things. Yay! Let's see. Dog tag. Bruce. Wait.
I get a little kind of wonder, Rashid, anything else for you?
Oh my god, I love this. A mini little shrimp boil. Noel, what do you have here? Banana? Banana? Pressing for my kilo. Some groceries that we got. Carrots was like the only one. Sucks. Guess what I found? I found the cookie. Oh. That is just not much. No way. They even have this and a bulldog. And they never used to have this. It's like $6 for it though, and it's so small. Let's see. Good afternoon, everyone. I meant to vlog with my camera, but I was like, I'm not taking that thing to the store. So right now I'm gonna cook adobo and also pancit because I miss pancit. Okay, it's a Filipino dish. If you don't know it, Google it. Now everybody has their own recipe for pancit, but this is my recipe. Okay, so zip. Here's the grocery. Nothing in there, but majority of it is in the fridge. Gotta get this out. Okay, so pretty much this whole weekend has been just raining, dreary, Seattle, London vibes, like the whole shebang. Okay, so yeah, it hasn't been nice, but hopefully during the weekend it will be. It's just rain. It's good that we're having all this, you know, water and extra snow because we don't want a fire. But with that being said, it's getting under my skin. I got this. It was reduced, so I'm like, we'll take it, we'll take it. I got some vinegar. We're gonna cook some kinilaw. Got some carrots, some mushrooms, pepper, extra tuna, sugar, sugar. Oh, no, Noel, no. Salad dressing. This was on sale, so I had to get it. I was running out of oil. Chayote, red onion. The red onion, chayote, ginger right here for my kinilaw, and also adobo. And I got me this pumped up colossal mascara. I got 2 soy sauce. One, this little one was on sale. It's cheaper. There's nothing that is kind of in comparison to dato puti. Okay, dato is very like so Filipino. But anyway, this is the closest soy sauce, Filipino soy sauce, as I can possibly get in this mountain store. And I got this Thai vermicelli. Got me cabbage and Noel's banana, which she ate. And I have these honey that I really want to try, but this is gonna be for TikTok. I'm gonna put my groceries away and I'll see you guys for the assembly. Oh yeah, I got this for Jeremy, Noel, minus the cat food. Oh my god. We had my chicken and cucumber. So yeah, I'm gonna start cooking because it's a lot to prep, you know. So show you guys the mise en place. I don't know why I said it like that, but I'm gonna show you guys my assembly, and then I'm gonna show you Kinilaw. I miss kinilaw. For the ingredients that I do have right now, considering that we live in the mountains and it's very like there's not much like Asian products, I kind of have to work with what I got. So that's what I'm gonna do and improvise. Obviously it's not gonna be authentic Filipino, but hey, I'm already Filipina. There's no mix in me, so this is as authentic as we can possibly get. You feel? You heard? Word. Okay. Excuse the mess. Here it is. Here's the prep. I'm just gonna cook it all together. I'm not gonna wait like let the garlic and onion and all that other stuff. I'm just gonna cook it together. Whatever. You can cook it however way you want. If you look up the recipe online on Google, you can find it there. Papansit. But I think this was the reason why is I don't like to make it often because it's just a lot of freaking vegetable prep. That's the reason why. So I'm not gonna use olive oil kasi sobrang mahal sa mantika. So there you go. Let it warm up. Let that stove warm up. And then we're gonna saute everything until it's nice and translucent and tender. And then we add our vermicelli. Carrots, cabbage, garlic, onion, and we're just gonna give this a nice mix up. Perfect. Nice. See that? I didn't even have to add any liquid. It's just the vegetables already has liquid in them. So it's kind of unnecessary at this point right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off the pan and then I'm going to add my vermicelli in here. Let me rephrase that. So I did not take it off. I'm actually just letting it reduce down with the vegetables. Okay. Whatever. That's too much work for me. I ain't doing that shit. So, I'm just gonna do it this way. Let it do its thing. Okay, so I have this. It's my savior. Pancit bihon. But it's not bihon. It's just pancit. Mamacita. Always the best savior. Okay, we're gonna let that dry out until the liquid is all gone, evaporated. So this is my prep with the kinilaw. There's a lot of like vegetable topping. I'm gonna add the seasonings and everything, and I don't have calamansi, which is the most crucial part, but we're gonna do just lemon and lime together. Here we have, folks, is what you call a ceviche. Mac is ceviche. Okay, that's different. Now we just let it marinate and put in the fridge. This is my garnish. It's just cabbage and carrots. Here's my soon to be adobo. Okay, you watch. Watch. Yeah. Soy sauce. Suka. My adobo is cooking. Pancit is done. Baby happy. Woo-wee. Wow. This is from my brother-in-law. The full experience of Philippine dish.
Woo! Watch Sissy.
Come on.
Oh my God. Watch out for Sissy. That's it.
This is
A
sample.
sample. I'll figure it out. It's enough to feed half an army.
What do you think of my adobo?
It's always delicious.
Thank you. Well,
Jeremy, I'm not.
it's good.
Go sit down now.
Do you like my pancit? Pancit, adobo, just regular rice, and then kinilaw. Oh, he likes it.
Let
Let the man eat his food. Well, my adobo is So the kids ate, and now it's my turn to eat. So here's my plate. I'm gonna put yum. Ito ang pagkain. Jeremy already ate. Noel already ate. And a little bit of pancit. I didn't give them kinilaw yet because they're too young, I think. And my husband was like kind of really not into that, but anyway. I swear every time I email my hands, I feel alive.